how to half swipe on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Snapchat camera screen. On this screen, go to the bottom panel and tap on the chat icon. Here, you can see your Snapchat chat list with your friends. Tap and hold any of your friends' profile picture and swipe right by sliding your fingers across the screen from left to right. This is how you can half swipe the screen. You can try the same with your other friends on Snapchat. Half swiping the screen opens that friend's inbox halfway. That way, you'll be able to see the messages from your friend, but they won't get a notification that their snap was viewed. Following these steps, you can easily half swipe on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any question related to the video.